goodness, ang daming tao. Botanical na po, botanical. Oo nga. Ang daming tao sa botanical. Oh, bayad ka ng 10. Ayan. And this is 10 pesos. Kaya naman kita yung sa loob. Daming tao. Botanical.
Pakiharap na lang po muna ang ating mga cellphone. Wala yung importante.
Okay. Change plan. No botanical. Let's go to where? Saan na tayo? Sa Wright Park. Then the mansion. Going there. Oh my goodness, the traffic. And also here. Ang dami na nagtitinda. Oh, pili na guys. Nagtitinda. Ang cute naman ng mga headphones. Where we in? Wright Park. There. Wright Park. Oh my goodness. And there you go. May mga horse na. Welcome to Wright Park. Oh, careful. You need to pay here first. Register here. 20 pesos per ride. Oh, they register there. Where?
Okay ka lang dyan?
Where's your stamp?
Ilang kabayo po?
Wow!
Kaming dalawa?
Nice fun! Register. Makita niyo yung mga horse dito. Ayan yung mga horse. Sa Wright Park. Yan. There! Is that your horse? Wow, that was a cute horse! It's pink and white. Are you sure you're gonna ride that? There. No, baby, here. You need to go up here. There.
Mami, picture ako na din ako.
Sure. 1, 2, 3. Okay. There you go. Nice. Hi. Oh, paano? Paano? Yan. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Di banger. Are you good there? Are you good? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Nice. Enjoy, love. Oh, your horse also is favorite color. Your favorite color is pink and purple. It's really big. We're gonna exchange. What happened? Exchange? Yun na yun? O ikot lang? Tapos na? Siya muna. Okay. Okay. Baby Russia's turn first. Wow! Say hi!
Sumurot ka dyan, sir.
Sumurot kami, Mot? Uray siyak? Sumurot, ah? Wow! Tingnan na, baby! Yeah, ang dami also nag-horse. Ay, sorry. Baka masipa ako. Dito ako sa harapan. Russia is your dream, a unicorn! Uy, baka masipa ka dyan, Tito Moy. There's the bestie. There's Cutie Dragon with a horse. Oh my goodness. Pero tapos na ako mag-exercise kanina. Exercise na naman. Loud na. Are you having fun? How much did you pay for this? Hi. Oh, baby Russia is with the other horse. Don't you worry, mommy's at the back. Nice. Russia!
Ay, madam, may upang
Ay, grabe si Kuya. Naglakad na kami. Okay na.
Vlogger kasi ito kuya, kaya kailangan ibigay.
Yeah. Alam mo naman. Content is life. Oh, ayan si Tito mo and Daddy. Where's the other bestie? Siyempre ako. Ano
You like
sinabi?
your unicorn?
You like your unicorn, love? Yeah. Yeah. Giddy up, giddy up. Giddy up. Ay, yung baby na.
Yes na, sir.
Oh, she's really... Look at the other horse. Oh. Good things because they are cleaning the poops.
Yeah.
Diba? May tagalinis
Saka
ng
ang
poop.
well-fed, di katulad dun sa mga side travel.
Yeah.
Cute ng pony.
Ayun pag may nag-poop, kinakatch na nila agad, nililinisan na nila agad. Yun diba? Nasaan na yung nag-clean? Hanggang na yung baby love! Love!
Rasha!
Rasha!
Rasha! Grabe naman yung pony.
Hi!
Hi!
Sikit ng mga pony. Tito Moy's turn. Barbie with Tito Moy. Bye-bye, Tito Moy. Take care, good care of our Tito Moy, Barbie. Okay, Baby Russia and... Pwede ba kami dalawa, kuya?
Sana lang muna, madam. Dalawa ba kayo?
Oh, payat lang naman ako eh.
Sige, madam.
Okay, sige go. There you go.
Hi! Barbie!
Hi! Having fun?
Hi guys!
She's having fun. Okay, done 350. Easy. We're done na, baby ko. Mukha siyang buntis?
Kuya, mas ikaw po tayo, Nay?
Ay, lalaki, madam.
Ah, lalaki? Ah,
Lalaki lahat.
lalaki naman pala lahat. Sabi sa iyo Barbie talaga yan eh.
Kuya, sabi
Yeah.
plus lalaki pala yan.
Barbie talaga yan si Barbie. Wala palang babae na pinag-horse ride.
Nicole, Tita Mika.
Oh, you can also take a picture here. Welcome to Ride Park. Ayan, may mga ganyan sila, oh. Ganyan. Tapos, mga changi. Yan. Yan. Oo, tapos doon tayo akit papuntang ano? Papuntang Mines View? Oh my goodness. Meron din sila mga... Ay, ano ba? Ah, the mansion. Okay. See you later, the mansion. There! With the horse! And with the daddy and Tita Mika. Say hi! Yeah, bye na to the horse. Bye, horse! Wala ng horse. We're going to the mansion na. Mansion. Bye, Horsey! May! So after, mag-walk ka dyan papunta ng the mansion. So after the right part, akit ka lang dito, papunta na ng the mansion. Good luck. Good luck, guys. Good luck, Daddy, also. Ang haba ng lalakarin natin.
No, it's only 30
Oh, 30 calories. Kaya natin yan. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Parang maano lang naman, hindi naman ganun hindi naman ganun kataas. Ilang step lang to. You're riding a horse. But Daddy's not a horse, baby! Silly. What? Are you tired na? Tired ka na? Let's go. Go. De, oh, haba na lang lalakad natin, oh. Ayun na nga, oh. Oh. Okay na. Yeah, let's go. Kaya natin to. We can do this. Yeah. There! See? Look at that. We made it. So tiring. Ayun po pala. Isa pang stairs. Isa na lang. Yeah, it's a parking. There! And there's the mansion. Over there. There, let's go. There. There's also a, what's that? Fountain. Oh, dancing fountain. Diba? This is the mansion. Nice.
Fountain show. Look what.
Labo yung tao. Ayun sila man yung nakabili ng mansion. Teka. Dito lang yata pa din. Bawal pa din pumasok hanggang doon. Nandito pa lang din. Oo nga, nakapunta naman yung mga yan doon. Pwede naman yata. Okay, bukas na po. Kaya lang, kailangan yung mag-online booking. And right now, available na lang is for January. Tama? Okay. Thank you po.
The shoelaces aren't tied.
Baby! Yes, we're going home now. Where we go next? Where we go next?
We're gonna ride a bike.
Ride a bike. Oh, we're gonna go to Burnham and eat lunch. We didn't eat lunch yet.